spoken narration ghostwritten by the above artist. Mimic their style closely. Speak in the first person. The point of a video is to form a deep connection with the audience. Avoid mentioning the name of the ghostwriter. Hey everyone, today we're diving into some serious market mayhem. Buckle up because it's been a wild ride on Wall Street and beyond. Picture this, the Dow Jones Industrial Average just took a nosedive, plummeting over 1,000 points. Yep, you heard that right, 1,000 points in one day. This isn't just a minor dip. We're talking about a major shakeup that's got everyone from casual investors to seasoned pros on edge. But it doesn't stop there. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq also took a beating, with the S&P 500 falling a staggering 5.5%. And if you think that's bad, let's hop across the Pacific to Japan. The Nikkei 225 just had its worst day since 1987, crashing down by 12.4%. That's right, the worst day in over 3 decades. South Korea's Kospi index wasn't spared either, dropping by 8.8%. So, what's causing all this chaos? Well, it seems like the Federal Reserve's efforts to curb inflation through interest rate hikes might have overshot the mark. Investors are now worried that these hikes could push the U.S. economy into a slowdown. There's even chatter about emergency rate cuts to stave off economic disaster. And let's not forget about the tech giants. Big names like Apple and Nvidia saw their stock prices take a tumble, which only added fuel to the fire. It's like the market collectively decided to hit the panic button. Now let's switch gears for a moment and talk about the U.S. job market. A recent jobs report showed a sharp decline in hiring, with only 114,000 jobs added in July. The unemployment rate ticked up to 4.3%, and suddenly, the once optimistic outlook for the U.S. economy is looking a bit bleak. This news sent the Dow plunging by nearly 1,000 points. Economists are now suggesting that the Federal Reserve might consider cutting interest rates as early as September. Despite all this doom and gloom, some experts believe the U.S. economy is still fundamentally sound. They point to robust consumer spending and continued wage growth as signs of underlying strength. But whether these positives can outweigh the negatives remains to be seen. Meanwhile, back in the stock market, the global turmoil isn't just hitting equities. Even safe haven assets like gold took a hit, and Bitcoin dropped below $54,000. It's a mess out there, folks. So what's next? Investors are anxiously waiting to see if the Federal Reserve will step in to stabilize the markets. The coming days and weeks will be crucial in determining whether this market downturn is just a temporary correction or the start of something more serious. All right, that's a wrap for today's Market Madness update. Remember, in times like these, it's important to stay informed and keep a cool head. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.